Now let us discuss the solution of question 6 of assignment. In question 6, Ravya Industries has set up a new center at Kakanagar for its offices and web-based activities. The company compound has 4 buildings as shown in the diagram below. These are the 4 buildings: Harsh Building, Raj Building, Fuzz Building and Judge Building. And after that, distance between various buildings are given. You can observe this, as well as number of computers in each of the building is given. Okay, generally in a question these two things are given: the distance between the buildings and number of computers. Now first question, suggest a cable layout of connections between the building. Now here in this question, cable layout is asked. Cable layout means you have to suggest an topology. Now I told you that basically we are having 3 topology: star, bus and ring topology. We are not suggesting ring topology, as in ring topology if one of the computer fails, entire network fails. So here what two topologies are left? Bus topology and star topology. Now just see the solution here. First of all, I have connected these buildings with star topology. Now just observe here, number of computers in Raj buildings are 150, and in star topology we are making a server where we are having maximum number of computers. So here Raj building we have made a server, and this Harsh building, then Fuzz building and Judge building are connected to it. So this is star topology. Then second possibility is bus topology. Now bus topology connects the computer in linear pattern. Okay, now here we have to think about cable length also. Now if you observe the distance between Harsh building and Judge building in a table, Harsh building and Judge building, this is 170 meter is given. So here this path we will not consider. Okay, that's why we have not connected from here to here. Understood? Now in this question it is asked, suggest a cable layout of connection. Cable layout means we have to write both answer, star topology as well as bus topology. But if it is asked, suggest the cable layout, if it is asked best cable layout, then we have to find out the distance. In star topology you can see the distance 50 plus 60 plus 90, that is 200 meter is required. In bus topology cable length required 50 plus 60 plus 25, that is 135. So you can observe here in bus topology we require 135 meter cable. That's why bus topology layout is best. When we have written this, when we will write this answer, if it is asked which is the best layout. Okay, then next question, suggest the most suitable place to house the server of this organization. Where we will put a server? In a building where we are having maximum number of computers. You can observe here number of computers, Raj building is having maximum number of computers. That's why we will write in the answer Raj building, as it is having maximum number of computers and it will reduce traffic on the network. Then in next question, suggest the placement of the following devices with justification. Now first of all it is asked internet connecting device, that is modem. Where we will put a modem? In a building where we are having server. If we connect internet to the server, it will available to all. That's why answer is Raj building. Now second, switch. Switch will be connected in all building, because switch is used for connecting computers, and every building is having more than one computer. That's why in all buildings switch will be connected. The last question, The organization is planning to link its sales counters situated in various parts of same city. Which type of network, LAN, MAN or WAN, will be formed? Now here the center is situated in the same city. That's why the answer will be MAN, Metropolitan Area Network, as the network, and it is asked justify your answer. That's why we are writing reason as the network spread in the same city. Okay.